Marketing your app starts long before you try to launch it. From pre-launch marketing activities to the app's arrival in the App Store, successful app marketing is about continuing to build excitement. And at the center of that marketing is your landing page or app-focused website. And this will evolve based on where your app is in its development life cycle. Don't worry if you don't have one, we'll discuss a few options to get you up and running very quickly over the next few slides. And we'll just have a quick look at some of the reasons why you might want a website or an app landing page. A landing page or web presence serves as a hub for all information about your app, and it helps you shape the app's design, identity with its logo, color palette, themes and so on. It helps you to define the story of your app in a sentence to help showcase its purpose and core features. And the landing page, as I discussed earlier, should evolve with the app's development and gradually read more about the app as it's been developed. And it's a great opportunity to install plugins such as Google Analytics to actually analyze the data on your landing page and actually refine your marketing messages so it actually really connects to those users who are visiting your web page. And you can also use your landing page to direct social channels and actually gather emails for information on feedback on the product, but also to capture beta testers. And finally, another reason for actually having this landing page, it allows you to interact with your users, and this page is actually helps you to interact with them, but also to build up that level of excitement before, during and after launch. You don't want to spend lots of money developing a website when your main focus is about building and marketing your app. So that money will be better spent on app development. And there are websites out there dedicated for this purpose, and one of them is Unbounce. And Unbounce typically is a one-page website, and you choose your template from a selection of templates, and you can refine it. And one of the ways to refine it on the filters on the left-hand side is by mobile, and it gives you sort of a WYSIWYG or drag-and-drop designer, so you can actually move elements of the page around and design it just the way you want it. And these systems also have email signups available in them, so you can actually drop an email sign up, and also has things such as analytics, so you can track how many people visit the page and what they click on. And also it also allows you to actually put your own domain, so it actually looks like your product, not somebody else's website, so that's quite good. And another example we just have a look at is LaunchRock. LaunchRock is another example. I've used this one a couple of times, and it's quite good because you can drive traffic to this page to see whether things convert. So you can use social and other pay-per-click advertising to drive traffic to the website and actually see whether people actually sign up or register their interest in your app. And best of all, LaunchRock does have a free startup version, which is good enough to actually test out your app at a very basic level, and if you decide to take it further and people start to use this web page, then yeah, certainly upgrade your subscription. So in summary, it can be very easy to create a one-page website to promote your app, and it only takes a couple of minutes to create a fairly impressive landing pages using tools such as LaunchRock and Unbounce. And these websites give you a range of different templates to choose to actually determine which one is best for your marketing in your app. And these websites have the ability to capture email addresses and analytics.